These pictures are compressed and sent in a lower quality, while these ones are sent in the same quality as they were captured on the phone's camera. But how to send pictures as documents in the original quality? Let me show you. If you're running an Android device, it's super simple. Just instead of tapping on the photo icon, tap on the attachment icon, then tap on Document, go to Browse Documents menu, filter Images Only and select the photo you wish to send. You can preview the photo tapping on these arrows. You can go back, tap and hold on any photo to enter the multi-select mode. Unfortunately, in this mode you can't preview your photos, just only select or deselect. Once you're done, tap on Select in the top right and then tap on Send. Now, as you can see, the photo sent in the original size, and you can see this size over here. That's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye.